Hello everyone, welcome back. To continue this essential SQL series, today we'll show the setup of a tool called SQLite Studio and setting up our first database. Now, there are multiple databases that can be set up, but I am choosing the one that is easiest to set up and practice so that we don't spend a lot of time on database setup and can get started right away. Now you can see I have added a link in the comment description and you can download the zip file from there, and the zip file, whenever you extract, you will find a folder called SQLite, and then you will have two databases called music and northwind. And for the entire series to practice on, we'll use the music database, and northwind database can be used during the practice sessions. Now once you download it, you will find this SQLite tool in the folder, and you can directly go there and open the SQLite Studio icon. Open up a window something like this. You don't need to run any kind of setup. Once you are here, to set up our first database, simply click on database, add a database, and on the link you can simply go and select the music database, double click, and it's there. When you hit OK, it will start appearing on the left. Once you double click on it, the database loads up. It has a lot of tables. Each table has certain information which we'll go through later. Now there are like about 10 tables, and each table has different type of information. I'll explain you briefly like what are the basic things that you need to know about is, if you see this key symbol, these are primary keys. We'll discuss primary keys in the upcoming videos, and these are the keys that will connect usually to the other tables in the database. And you will have different tables with different level of information like tracks, invoices, invoice items, customers, employees, albums, artists, playlists, etc. So these are all the tables that we'll be playing around with, and I will also explain another thing called data types in detail in the upcoming videos. As you can see, integer, n varchar, date, time, etc. are some of the data types that we'll be looking at in detail in the upcoming videos. That's it for now. Thank you.